Yeah, hello guys, welcome to yet another episode of Master Designs and Technologies, where we design inventory systems and stock management system. Today I'm going to present you yet another system which can be used as a point of sale, which uses barcode scanning just like the ones you just find in a supermarket. So let's get started. So let me load the file, the executable jar file, and wait for the splash screen to finish loading. Yeah, now let me tell you what happens here. This side you have to sign up if you are not in the system. So to sign up, you have to give your username, your user type, and password. Verification code is given by the developer. If you are not given the verification code by the developer, you cannot actually register to this system. So let me sign in as Nzioka Victor and as admin so that I can show you how this system works. So let me login successful. So let me push this one to this side so that I can show you what happens here. Yeah, let me show you what happens here. This table here it's just like the shelf where you have placed your items, and this table here is the trolley. So when you want to sell something, you can just click what you want to sell and it will move from the shelf to the trolley, and the quantity will automatically reduce by 1. Let's refresh and see if this one reduces by 1. So you can see it has become 64. So you just use this method to just add things to the trolley, and if you want to sell these items in the trolley, you just click here, get total. So this will give you the total amount of everything which is here. You can confirm if it is correct and automatically save that data to the database. Then after selling, you have to generate a receipt. So this is the receipt. Then you can try to print that receipt, and it will automatically give you options of printing. You can choose your printer, then you can choose to print. So you can see printing in progress, but there is no printer connected right now. So let me show you another thing. Here, when you finish selling, you have to click this one to remove items from the trolley. So here you can search items automatically, just like using this item ID, like 105. Then just click this search button here, and it will bring the item which is code 105. Now I want to show you how to use this barcode scanner. So how to use this barcode scanner, I'm using a phone scanner, and I want to show you how this thing works. So a scanner is just another type of keyboard input, but it inputs items at a very high speed of typing. Let's say it's typing. So where you want to you have to click this barcode scanner text field, so that scanner will automatically put the item ID, because it's what we are using to search in this text field. Automatically it fits that item ID in this text field. It will automatically reduce the quantity by 1 of that item you were searching, and remove it from the shelf to the trolley. So let's take a look here. I have printed several barcodes, and this one with this ID, and I want to show you how this thing works. I'm using a phone, and I'm using this application known as barcode to PC server, and it has a mobile phone scanning application. So let's take a look of how it works. For example, let me scan, for example, code 101. Like let me show you how it works. So you'll hear the beep sound, and it will automatically input the items for you to in in the trolley. So let me scan this one. It's taking a while. You see, it is working. So let me go and scan another item like code 1 or 5, which is, I don't know what is that, but let me just scan it on a 5. Let me scan. It's scanning. See, it is inputting what I am scanning actually. Then let me scan another item, like let me use the scan 1 or this 1 or 2. I'm using single scan, that's why it is taking some time. Item 1 or 2. Yes, it is inputting. So let me use very many scanning sessions, like let me use continued bonds mode scanning. Let me scan like this item for some time. See, then after scanning those items, you can actually go to get your total, then save the total, then you can generate the receipt. This is how we generate the receipt. Let me show you how we create these barcodes and scan one on the PC. So you come here to barcode, then you put the item code. You first have to add the item here in the stock, for example. So because the system is the one which gives you the item code, so you have to scan, you have to give another item. For example, let's say a book, let's say it's A4 single line, A4 single line. And size of weight, let's say is 80 pages. Then the quantity you have brought, like let's say 100 books, 100 pieces. Then mark the price, let's say moja is like 50 bob. Then add item. When you add that item and come here to refresh your shelf, you should find it here. It has given itself already a code. So you have to produce a barcode using this ID. So you just have to come here and click the barcode, then use 106. Then here is where you want to save those barcodes. I have designed somewhere. Let me get the path of this part of that folder. So I get that path, and let me maximize my, I get that path and just paste that path here and write this throw, and then click generate barcode. Let's wait for it to finish generating actually. So you can see barcode generated successfully. So let's come here and check if the barcode is there. So you can see this is the barcode 106. So let's scan it. Let me minimize this thing. Let me minimize this, that, and minimize this one also. So let me scan it when it is there. Let me minimize it when it is actually there. Let me scan it when it is there. So just click here and do this way so that it is seen. Yeah, just click here, and first you have to put new cell. So just click here, and let me try to scan this barcode and see if it is working on the PC. So Let me check my connection first. Let me scan this barcode and check if it is working. It's not working because the connection has been lost between this one and the phone. So let me try to reconnect it. So let me try to actually scan it. You see it is scanning. Let me scan again. Let me add like 4 books, like that way. It is adding another book. It should add this book. See? Yeah, it is adding this book. So that's how it scans. And when you will find the quantity is reducing automatically, so you will not have any pressure when you want to view your data of how sales have been going on. So let me save that one, and generate this receipt. You see, that's how the receipt will look like. Yeah, now let me show you other features of this system. So we have this admin button here. The admin can be able to view sales, how the sales are going on, and can also be, let me show you how he views this sales. So you just click view sales, and all sales, you will see all sales automatically. They will load all sales. Then this one, if is for today's sale, just click that day and you can see the date today, and so you can check total amount for today is that amount. So if you want to generate a report for the total days, so total sales today, you just click generate a report and select where you want to save your document. Let me say, for example, I want to save barcodes. Yes, let me save there. Then give it a name, say like sales, then click save. So it will say download PDF. Let's check if the PDF is there. It's this one. You can see it's this one. So let me just open the PDF and see what is it has given us. So you can see the sales today. You can see the product sales and such like things. You can see. Yeah, let us go back to the system. So in this side you will see statistics. Actually, this is statistics. This one is if chocolates, how many purchases, the number of purchases per chocolates, how many purchases actually. This one will help you make decisions on which items are on demand. So you'll be able to bring more. According to this one, you'll be able to bring this juice known as Trito more than anything else. Now this one is for actually searching in between dates. For example, you want to search between date 1 of January to date 1 of June. You just use this feature. For example, let me search like 2019 dash 10 dash 9 to actually, let me say 2019 dash 10 dash 2 to just 11th. Let's search. So it will display in this table. So you can see this 11 9 9, just that those dates, the 9 10 10. There's no other date, there's no 12, there's nothing else, just 11 9 and 10. So it's just such like that. So let's go back to this one. So this one is the statistics per number of dates, per dates. So here you will actually know around this time it's high time to bring a lot of stock. Like you can see it on date 11th 10th 2019, you sold a lot of things. So the next financial year you will actually sell, you will actually bring more stock around this time, because you know customers vary according to seasons. so you can use this one to make your decisions. So here you can change the passwords. If you want to change password, just come to the admin. So this one is for adding stock. This one is for updating a quantity of items. For example, let's refresh here. You can see this quantity is 0. When you try to click when it is 0, it should tell you the item quantity is 0. Please update your stock. And because it's made automatically to put items to the trolley, you have to just click like this to remove that item. This one is about the person who made this system. It's just like me. This one is the user manual. This one is for shutting down the system. So I hope guys you have actually enjoyed this system. I would like to hear your views and comments about what you think about this system, what should be added, what should be subtracted. I thank you very much guys. Let's meet again in another video. Thank you.